This is honestly the most amazing, incredible beach access setup I've ever seen in the entire world. I'm so excited. I'm actually heading to my first accessible beach in Europe, and it's here in Nice. And I've only just realized this morning that you need to make a booking. I would like to come and enjoy the beach today. Is that possible? Unfortunately, all the wheelchair accessible car parks are taken, so we had to park in a non-accessible park. And there's no room to get my chair out. So I'm gonna get creative. Are you ready? This is how you get out of a car park that's not accessible. At least one side is. Winner, chicken dinner. Whee! Let's go to the beach. All right, let's go see if I can find somewhere to prove my disability. Hello, bonjour. I called up and they said that I need to come and prove my disability with the card.
Please.
So this is my daybed. And I've registered now. It took me like 5 minutes to register. And the daybed is literally right on the edge of the path. And the matting here is called MobiMats. And it's so easy to roll over. I can spend the day here, and when I want to go into the beach, I just sing out to one of the volunteers and jump into a beach chair and off I go into the water. Isn't that incredible? How amazing would it be if we had a service like this in Australia or the rest of the world? Faster!
I'm not so strong.
Oh my God, this is unreal. Wow. That was such an amazing experience. And these lovely ladies have even come and brought the chair out here and helped me jump into it. And now I'm going back up to the daybed. It's secluded, it's not busy, and it's protected as well. What an amazing experience. Sensational. This setup here is just beyond incredible. And this entire section is for people that are older and people that need a little bit of extra assistance. And any person that needs help going to the beach can register to be able to come and use the beach here and participate in this wonderful program. The mayor here really cares about people with disability and the ageing population, and there is a need for older people to be able to continue to enjoy the beach. Can you imagine how wonderful it would be to have a beach access program like this at all major beaches around Australia? It would just be wonderful and would really show that Australia and Australian government and local governments actually truly care about our ageing population and our population of people that live with disabilities. To see the joy for people that are older, people with disabilities, actually be included at the beaches is literally, it's emotional, it's special.